So one more time, in the startup folder, we're going to add a new file. Let's call this validation.js. Here we export a function, very simple function, and move this line for adding object ID to Joy to this new function. Now we also need to import Joy here on the top. So back in index.js, let's cut this and move it here. And finally, let's load this module in index.js. So require startup/validation. Isn't this beautiful? Remember what we had before? I think we had 60 or 70 lines of code with really poor separation of concerns. Now with this new refactoring, we're doing only one thing: setting up the application. The details of logging, the details of routes, the details of database and other aspects are delegated to other modules. This is single responsibility principle in practice. Now, one last change I want to make here to be consistent is replacing this console.log with Winston. So let's load Winston, require Winston, and then we call Winston.info. That's better. So back in the terminal, let's run the application. Okay, here are the two info messages coming from Winston. The first one is for listening, and the second is connecting to MongoDB.